There's a Chinese supermarket here in Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf at Canada Place basement. So a pretty big one, Tian Tian market, similar to the one in Aldgate. I think there was a huge one in Aldgate as well, East London. And this is also quite big. I'm just looking at the mooncakes. A lot of snacks. But the mooncakes also a big selection here. Member prices mooncake, 8th to 10th of September. So they do have loyalty membership cards, loyalty cards. Plenty of snacks. Tian Tian at Canary Wharf, Canada Place. Wow, they have downstairs as well. It's also a downstairs, so huge. 2 levels.